An academy. Let's crack it.
International law is the vanishing point of the jurisprudence. Do you agree?
So I don't think so. I think times have changed. This statement was made a century ago.
Okay.
But now, after World War II, you have institutions such as UN, you have ICJ that produces judgments, and you have a litany of cases that have clearly established certain areas of international law for sure. These are international environment law,
But
international.
if you link it with the enforcement, China refusing to abide by the International Court of Justice's
Yes, sir.
judgment.
Yes. So yes, certain countries have had the exceptions. However, across this, we have seen that countries do abide by international law, and at least if they are not following it, they try to word their actions on the basis of international law.
An academy. Let's crack it.